replace the rear sway bar bushings, SuperPro bushings. And the part number at the end, in this case 19K, represents the thickness of your rear sway bar. I have a Megan Racing sway bar and it's 19 millimeters. You need to figure out how thick your sway bar is to order the correct SuperPro bushing kit. They have 15, 17, and 19. Now a couple times a year, SuperPro offers a pretty good discount, 20% off. So I snatched these up real quick, direct from SuperPro, and I'll show you how to do it right now. Here we are underneath my GS 400. As you can see, I've upgraded a few things. We have ISF end links, which I have an episode on, so be sure to go check that out afterwards. The 19 millimeter Megan sway bar, which I also have an episode on. Now, what you'll notice is that these Megan Racing bushings right here, they're starting to kind of get soft, and also this grease, I don't know, it's like mixing with the bushing itself and it's turning black. That's pretty odd that that's happening. Go ahead and we're gonna pull off these brackets right here. Real easy, they're not torqued very high. Same thing over here. You got full access to it unless your muffler is there, stock muffler that is. Might be a little bit more difficult to see this. In my case, I don't have that stock muffler. These are very easy to access. And what happens is you undo both of these, and the bar will swing down a bit and you'll be able to replace the bushings on each side. 12 millimeter. Should just pop off of there. The bar will swing down, just pull it down gently. You're gonna get these old crusty things off of here. So you can see that there's an elongated wear pattern, I guess you could say, in that. A little bit elongated. So it's good I'm getting rid of these things. Plus they're pretty soft, I can feel it. Pretty big difference there. These are way harder than these. These are much more pliable. Maybe you can see that. See that? I can just bend that. And these. And in case you don't know which way they go, this will go up this side, and I'll show you why. These nice little perfect grooves here fit right inside those brackets to prevent it from shifting around. Push the bar up, get it lined up there. Take your bracket, get it lined up, and then you're gonna hand thread these fasteners in and leave it loose on each side. Alternate sides. Torque value is going to be 24 foot-pounds.